Welcome to the 42nd birthday celebration of the Valley School. Normally in every other year, we used to see a lot of activities, energy, festivities in the whole campus. With the change of the season and the preparation of the dances, the procession, the decoration of the school's birthday, the entire campus with all the children and the entire community would come into a festive mood. This year the nature has readied itself, but we are not there. And everything that we used to do in a normal day in a valley, or what we have done as part of our experience of being a student, has become something which is very special now. So those days of walking without any purpose, having lunch together, sitting near the pond and looking into the guppies, singing song in the assembly, arguing in the culture class, are all a distant reality now. The songs which we sang in the assembly, I don't know whether they made sense at that time or not, but we realize at some point of time in life, when we are engaged with something else in a completely different context, they come alive and communicate to us something very different. So are the trees and other connects of valley which we have experienced as a student, as a teacher, or just being a member of the community. So this year, a group of teachers, the students and ex-students, they thought that in this time of unprecedented crisis, to discover the connect within ourselves should be the way we will celebrate the school's birthday. So the attempt this year is to revive the connect within. As part of our experiences, some part of valley we always carry with us. This relationship is timeless. Even if we leave valley, even if we are somewhere else in a different part of the world, and this experience has been something which is 15 years old or 25-year-old, there is something very fundamental and crucial that stays on. And this is the time we look back at that, take it out and see what does it say to us now. I am sure you will enjoy this offering which the staff and the students and the ex-students have prepared, and it will help you in getting back and looking at you, and through this itself we will celebrate the school's birthday this year. The program as it's planned will go as follows. There will be a presentation on the preparation of the school's birthday with the biofence, the vegetable garden and the land care. Then plantation by the campus children, assembly by the teachers, Patachitra for children by the teachers, dance performances by class 10th and 12th, and messages by ex-students of class 12 students to the class 12 students. Thank you. Happy birthday to all of you.
छायाम् अन्यस्य कुर्वन्ति तिष्ठन्ति स्वयमातपे फलान्यपि परार्थाय वृक्षाः सत्पुरुषाः इव। श्रूयतां सर्वे वृक्षपुराणं क्रियतां तथा वृक्षारोपणं। वृक्षस्यास्ति सुन्दरं बीजं बीजं सुन्दरं याति मूलं बहुदूरम्। मूलेऽपि अन्नं तस्य काष्ठं कठिनं काष्ठं कठिनं भवति इन्धनार्थं। पर्णेषु भवति हरितद्रव्यम् अतो हि अस्ति रे पर्णं हरितम्। पुष्पं सुन्दरम् अतीव मोहकं पुष्पं तस्य भवति रे देवपूजार्थं। फलं रसमयं तस्य फलं स्वादपूर्णं फलं ये अस्ति रे खगस्य अन्नम्। जलवातप्रकाशैः निर्माति अन्नं तेन हि अन्नेन वर्धते नित्यं। वृक्षस्य दृश्यतां सर्वं हि कार्यं जीवनं तस्यास्ति परोपकारार्थम्।
वृक्षे हि कुर्वन्ति विहगाः नीडं केचित्तु कुर्वन्ति काष्ठे हि छिद्रम्। आतपे तिष्ठति वर्षानुवर्षम् अन्येषां करोति छायाप्रदानम्। वृक्षो नैव अत्तिरे स्वकीयं फलं सर्वं ह्यङ्गं तस्य लोकहितार्थम्। जनाः न स्मरन्ति तस्य उपकारं बहुधा कुर्वन्ति वृक्षछेदनम्। मास्तु रे मास्तु ईदृशं पापं यथाशक्ति क्रियतां वृक्षारोपणम्। नैव रे नैवास्तु वृक्षकर्तनं सर्वे हि कुर्वन्तु तत्संवर्धनम्। जय वृक्ष जय जगन्मित्र कृपां कृत्वा वर्धस्व अत्र जय वृक्ष जय वृक्ष।
ಸದಾ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಆಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿರತರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಭೂರಮೆ ಎಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ. ರಮಣೀಯ ಪ್ರಾಕೃತಿಕ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದುಕೊಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಇಂದು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ಚಿನಕುರುಳಿಗಳಂತಿದ್ದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಲರವ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯ ಜನಜಾತ್ರೆಯಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಬಾರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯ ಮಡಿಲೊಳಗೆ ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೇವೆ ಕೂಡ. ದುಸ್ತರ ಸಮಯದೊಳಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡುವಿನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯಕ್ಕೇನೂ ಕೊರತೆಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ನಡುವಿನದು ಎಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀರಿ ಎಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಾರಿಯೂ ಬರುವ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬವು ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಅರಿಯಲು, ಅರಿತು ಬೆಳೆಯಲು, ಬೆಳೆದು ಕಲೆಯಲು ಸಹಕಾರಿ. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ದುರಿತ ಕಾಲದೊಳಗೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಾಳಜಿ, ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ಮುತುವರ್ಜಿ, ಎಡವಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದೆತ್ತಿ ನಡೆಸುವ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಆಳಕ್ಕಿಳಿದ ಆಲದ ಮರದ ಬೇರುಗಳಂತೆ.
ಓ ಆಲದ ಮರವೇ, ನೀ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡು ನನಗೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಬೇರು ಬಿಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಓ ಆಲದ ಮರವೇ, ನೀ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡು ನನಗೆ, ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎದೆಗುಂದದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ?
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्तिः अन्तरिक्ष शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिः आपः शान्तिः औषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिः विश्वे देवाः शान्तिः ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वशान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शन्वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः प्राणापान व्यानो दान समाना मे शुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपात्मा भूयासगुं स्वाहा पृथिवी आप तेजो वायु आकाशा मे शुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपात्मा भूयासगुं स्वाहा शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धा मे शुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपात्मा भूयासगुं स्वाहा मनोवाकाय कर्माणि मे शुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपात्मा भूयासगुं स्वाहा सगुण स्वाहा परमात्मा में शुद्धता ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूया सगुण स्वाहा
Namaskara. On the occasion of the 42nd birthday of the Valley, we are happy to present a few songs from Nadinath on behalf of all of you. Before some of the songs, there will be a brief description about the essence of the song so that we can appreciate it more. I'm sure many of you would like to sing along as you hear this. Happy birthday to Valley.
It's been raining in the valley intermittently. The life-giver sun and nature's elixir, the rumjhum dancing rain, leads us to dream of a bright and new tomorrow. The rain washes away the past, the pessimism and the grime of yesterday, and splashes the canvas clean for a celestial painting to emerge. Radha, adorned with spring-colored chundri, rides on a swing with Krishna. And this union is celebrated by the universe by playing the divine notes of Malhar, to the tune of which the lovers dance. बरसन लागी बदरिया
बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया आयो सावन अति मन भावन आयो सावन अति मन भावन झूम झूम के बरसन लागी ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳು ಎಲೆಯ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಮಿನುಗಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಎಲೆಯ ನೇಸರ ಇಳೆಯ ಉಸಿರಲಿ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳು ಎಲೆಯ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಮಿನುಗಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಎಲೆಯ ನೇಸರ ಇಳೆಯ ಉಸಿರಲಿ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ಮಳೆಯ ಮೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಸೊಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲೆಯ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾಡಿನ ಮಳೆಯ ಮೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಸೊಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲೆಯ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾಡಿನ ಕನಸು ಹೂಗಳು ಗಾಳಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ದೊರಲಿನ ತೋರಣ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ದೊರಲಿನ ತೋರಣ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳು ಎಲೆಯ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಮಿನುಗಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಎಲೆಯ ನೇಸರ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಸೋಲಿದೆ ಭಯ ತೊನೆದಿದೆ ಚರಣ ಮೇಲವು ಕಾರಣ ಸೋಲಿದೆ ಭಯ ತೊನೆದಿದೆ ಚರಣ ಮೇಲವು ಕಾರಣ ಹಿರಿಯ ಶಿಖರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ ಗೀತ ಪ್ರೇಮಾರಾಧನ ಗೀತ ಪ್ರೇಮಾರಾಧನ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳು ಎಲೆಯ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಮಿನುಗಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಎಲೆಯ ನೇಸರ ಇಳೆಯ ಉಸಿರಲಿ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ ವನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಚೇತನ.
A young, newly married girl urges the bangle seller to visit her hometown. When asked to describe the town, she says that her town is the one that has chirping birds, blooming lotuses in the ponds, banana groves, shikakai trees, and fragrant flowers. The bangle seller urges her to be happy where she is, accepting what is instead of hankering for what is not. Just like the beauty within surpasses the beauty without, the jingling glass bangles surpass those of gold. What is far more important than what was and will be. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿಂತ
ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿಂತ ಮಳೆಯ ಮಳೆಗಳ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾರಯ್ಯಾಯನ ತವರಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ತವರೂರ ನಾನೇನು ಮಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ತೋರಿಸು ಬಾರೆ ಎಲಚಂದ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸು ಬಾರೆ ಎಲಚಂದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿಂತ ಮಳೆಯ ಮಳೆಗಳ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗಿ
debilitates. Only if I had known that this broken boat, which is my only vehicle to travel upon the rough seas, I would not have come aboard for this long, tedious journey. But the question then arises, will your fear save you from death?
ও আমার দরদি,
skies that have enveloped the earth are to end. A little birdie mocks the storm, reminding him that the cycle of rebirth does not and will not succumb to the violence and grief of destruction. Amidst the hushed silence of the pralay, let's sing the song of creation.
Nirmal.
Following the tradition of every year, we bring you a new song, Haman Hai Ishq Mastana. And the translation that I'm going to offer has been adapted from the one done by Vipul Rekhi, who's associated with the Kabir project. So the singer observes and intimately understands the mysteries and transcends to a place of freedom, joy, and bliss. High on the elixir of love, the poet remarks, I'm drunk on love. Why be clever anymore? Free of worldliness, why befriend the world anymore? They wonder who are lost, separated from their beloved. My beloved dwells in me. Why wilt in wait anymore? Those common embellish their names. I have adorned the name of Hari. Why be restless anymore? Not once did I lose sight of him. Not once did he leave my side. My heart's strings are tied to him. I don't toss and turn anymore. O Kabir, get drunk on love. Rid the heart of duality. Such is a delicate path to tread on. Why lug a heavy load anymore?
Mastana
the valley, there was a village called Badbadpur. The village was in the middle of a green forest where there grew the most delicious fruits and vegetables. In the same village, there was a man called Pandurang. Pandurang often went down to the town in the plains to sell fruits. One day, as he was coming back from town, he had a sudden coughing fit. He coughed and coughed and coughed. Imagine his surprise. He could not understand at all. After a while, he set off again towards the village. By the time he reached home, his head was aching.
What's the matter? Why are you coughing like this? Like you have swallowed a lemon.
Gangu, the strangest thing happened today.
What?
I was coming from the town. It was a warm and beautiful weather. When I suddenly coughed. And out came a white, downy feather.
A feather? How is that?
I don't know. But don't tell anyone.
Of course. I won't tell anyone. Sakhu? Hey, Sakhu!
What happened, Gangubai?
Come here. I have to tell you some strangest thing today that has happened.
What, Gangubai? Tell me.
It's the strangest thing I have heard. My husband coughed a bird. When he tried to talk, it flew like a bird. When he tried to sing, it flapped out like a song. A bird out of his mouth. I think something is wrong.
What, Gangubai? A bird? How's that?
I don't know. But don't tell anyone, huh?
Of course, Gangubai, of course. Why would I? As soon as Gangubai had left, she went to visit her mother-in-law. Sasubai? Sasubai? Do you know? The strangest thing happened today.
What?
My friend Sakhu, who lives over there, told me something that made me stare. She said her husband had gone out of town, and when he came back, guess what he found?
What?
A flock of birds flying right out of Pandu's wide open mouth.
A flock of birds? How's that?
I don't know, Sasubai, but please don't tell anyone.
Of course, why will I?
As soon as Sakhubai had left, she went to her brother.
Babya!
What?
Do you know the strangest thing happened today?
What happened?
A tree grew inside Pandu's mouth. It grew and grew and grew. And on that tree, there came to nest a flock of birds, full 62. And when Pandu opened his mouth, they flew and flew and flew.
A tree with nest full of bird? How's that?
I don't know, but don't tell anyone, huh?
Of course. Why will I?
As soon as his sister had left, he went to tea shop.
Yeah, Ramu, Lakhya, do you know what things has happened today?
What?
Yes, you know, our old Pandu, Hare, that one. He swallows a forest in town. I am telling truth. Don't frown. My sister saw a forest in his jaw.
A whole forest? How is that? Was he not wearing a mask?
When he opened his mouth and say hi, all the birds say, Fly.
Fly? How is that?
I don't know, but don't tell anyone.
Okay, I won't tell.
Very soon it was all around the village that there was a forest growing in his mouth, and it was full of tigers, monkeys, wolves. And that when Pandurang opened his mouth and talked, out flew parrots, mynas, and the list grew longer and longer. Naturally, people began to head for Pandurang's house to see this wonderful sight.
Pandurang, meanwhile, tired with the effort of having spat a feather, was fast asleep. Suddenly his sleep was disturbed by the sound of voices. Scowling and muttering, he got up and went to the door. When Pandu appeared at the door, a gasp passed through the crowd. Pandu opened his mouth, a loud sigh of expectation from the crowd, and he yawned. A murmur of disappointment. Suddenly, someone in the crowd shouted, "Hey, Pandu, say something!"
Pandu, where is the forest? Where is the tiger? Where is the flock?
Where is the champion zero?
Where is the bird?
Where is the...
What is going on here? Will someone tell me?
We heard there are leopards and tigers and wild bears growing in your mouth.
We heard that when you speak, the birds all fly right out.
If not a whole big bird, we thought we would see a feather. We are waiting for it, brother. Let's see you spit a feather. Pandu listened to them with a deep frown on his face, but with each outrageous line, his frown got lighter and lighter. And by the time they had got to the feather, a big smile broke out on his face. That was such a rare sight, and the crowd went silent with awe. And in that silence fell the rarest sound that Barbarpur had ever heard.
Pandu, did you not wear your mask?
Did you not wear your mask?
Rhythm. We danced and we danced to a rhythm. Our feet thumped on the rich soil that gives so much we could spoil. Our hands swayed in the chilly breeze like sturdy but gentle trees. Our smiles, brighter than bright and wider than wide. With great purpose we took each and every stride. The skies rumbled with laughter and we stumbled but with pride. Our path long and twisted had been paved and not one of us is afraid. We stuck our hands into the ground, adding something new, something to be found. We looked up at the sky and suddenly the world seemed to sigh. So we danced, and we danced to a rhythm. We danced to the rhythm of life. जाए स्मरी सो सर्वदा हरिया विश्व शांति ಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿವ सकलरिंगे स्वागत संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं तुम दर मस मस दर मस मस हम दम बिंदे क्यों जीना दुख में सुमिरन सब करे सुख में करे न कोई जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तुम दुख काहे दीन दीन दरे न दीन दरे न सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना तेरे बिन जति मरा हरि नाम बिना हरि नाम बिना हरि नाम मंदिरा ने जाने उजड़ो लगे ज़रा मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি সবাই তাকে মুখ ফেরায় সবাই করে ভয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফেরায় সবাই করে ভয় তবে পরাণ খোলে তবে পরাণ খোলে ও তোই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কত একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তো
তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে দেরে না যদি সবাই ফিরে যায় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা সবাই ফিরে যায় যদি গহন পথে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না চায় যদি গহন পথে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না চায় তবে পথের কাটা ও তোর রক্ত মাখা ছাড়ল তলে একলা দলরে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি আলো না ধরে ওরে ওরে ও বাগালো না ধরে যদি ঝড় বাদলে আধার রাতে দুয়ার দে ধরে যদি ঝড় বাদলে আধার রাতে দুয়ার দে ধরে তবে বজ্র নলে আপন মুখের বাজার জ্বালিয়ে নিয়ে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
She blows a dense air of warmth through the mess of my hair.
The birds and the bees and the sun gone down into the dark night I stare.
I stare past the lurking towers. She tells me to search beyond.
Beyond the whispers of the young night and the footsteps all around.
I stand there for a second, the ground with its absurd designs beneath me.
Stopping, looking, staring around. The happiness I feel, unmeasurable.
Such serenity I find. Among the cloudy stars she holds me.
She assures me, despite all that is going on, that everything is going to be okay.
That everything is going to be just fine, the wild chaos settling right behind me.
She told me to look ahead at the people that made me happy.
The spaces she let me grow in, all those little talks.
And the peace that I find in these beautiful walks.
With each year she blossoms, but stay the same ion.
As I fall into the night with an honest smile.
And despite the orderly mess all around, I know that I can wake up to her.
The world is changing, and so is Valley. The trees are now higher and greener, with happier branches swaying, and the leaves have all changed color. Unfortunately, we aren't there to experience it. Distance separates us like never before as we stay confined to our rooms. Days turn into nights, time passes but seems still, as all we do is stare blankly at a screen all day. A sudden desperation overcomes me. I pause and stare outside the window.
Reminiscing all the memories we made, tears swell in my eyes as I stand moments away from crying. I close my eyes, stolen away from reality, and find myself slip into my happy place. The glittering pond on my right holds a welcoming lotus flower blooming bright. In a distance, I can hear monkeys chatter and the clinking of plates and the squeals of children that harmonize with the songs of birds. I walk further down a surreal path as the fragrance of bougainvillea fills me with nostalgia, leaving me speechless. I wander about admiring the beauty of the lush trees, pristine flowers, and alluring skies, and paths paved with fond memories.
My eyes meet the happy sunflowers we planted. The world of creativity buzzes with life. On one end, vestal fingers weave endless patterns. On another, hands caked with clay mold remarkable sculptures. As time passes, I stumble upon the steps leading to the infinite horizon, where we'd spend our time celebrating the end of the day, watching the sunset, weaving friends into family, occasionally hearing flocks of birds chirp with joy as they fly back home. And I open my eyes, leaving the homeliness of my world behind, arriving yet again at reality.
হায় মাঝে হলো ছাড় ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ കാന്താ ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ പൂരമനെ കണു കാണನು ನಂದ പൂരമനെ കണു കാണನು ನಂದ പൂരമനെ ಕಣು ಕೂಡನು ಕಾಂದ പൂരമനെ ಕಣು ಕೂಡನು ಕಾಂದ ಕಾಂತ ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ ಮೊದಲಮಯನು ಕಣು ಕಾಣನು ಕಾಂದ ಮೊದಲಮಯನು ಕಣು ಕಾಣನು ಕಾಂದ ಪೂರಮನೆ ಕಣು ಕಾಣನು ಕಾಂದ ಮೊದಲಮಯನು ಕಣು ಕಾಣನು ಕಾಂದ வெடிக்கெட்டியனு கணு காணனு காந்த வெடிக்கெட்டியனு கணு காணனு காந்த வெடிக்கெட்டிய திலனு கொளுத்தனு காந்த வெடிக்கெட்டிய திலனு கொளுத்தனு காந்த காந்த ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാ തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം കാണാ
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking. It's early morning, the taxi's waiting. He's blowing his horn already. I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing. I go out, think of you every song I sing. I'll sing for you when I come back, bring you everything. So kiss me and smile for me, tell me that you wait for me, hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go, 'cause I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹನಿಯ ಚಲ್ಲಿ, ದಿನ ದಿನವೂ ಕಾದು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಬೆಂದೆ, ಬೆಂಗದಿರ ತಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಹಸಿರ ಉಸಿರು ಕುಗ್ಗಿದರು, ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಹಸಿರ ಉಸಿರು ಕುಗ್ಗಿದರು, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರುಣ, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರುಣ. ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವು ಮಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವು ಮಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣ.
ಬಡವಾಗದ ನನ್ನ ಒಡಲುರಿಯ ಬೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗರಿವು ಆಗಲಹುದೇ, ನೀಲ ಗಗನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಳೆಯಬಹುದೇ, ನೀಲ ಗಗನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಳೆಯಬಹುದೇ.
ಬಾಯುಂಟು ನನಗೆ ಕೂಗಬಲ್ಲೆನ ನಿಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು, ನೀವು ಕರುಣಿಸಲು ನನ್ನ ಹಸಿರೆದೆಯು ಉಸಿರುವುದು ತೋಷವನ್ನು.
ಓ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಓ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನನ್ನೆದೆಗೆ ತಂಪ ತನ್ನಿ, ನೊಂದ ಜೀವರಿಗೆ ತಂಪ ನೀಯುವುದೇ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನಿ, ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನಿ, ಓ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನಿ.
The valley to me is like a mind sanctuary. It helps me stay centered as I take on life's challenges, and I feel very blessed and privileged to be part of this family. Thank you.
Valley School? Well, I am who I am today. A lot that credit has to go to Valley School. The teachers there, my friends, and everybody associated. I'd say Valley School is home for me. I'd say Valley School is something that really helped me evolve to the person I am. And I love my school. I love my school forever and ever. Happy birthday, Valley School. All the very best.
Hi, Arvind from batch of 91. What Valley means to me is it's home, it's a place I love, it's nature, it's sports, it's family.
Hi 12th. Know that your experience at the Valley was an awareness of yourself, and let that be a guidance to you as you go through your life and explore the universe around you and yourselves within.
Short message to the 12th standard kids. Make sure that you come back to school. Make sure you stay in touch. It's a wonderful place. A lot of you I know have been there from the first, and a lot of you have joined later. But don't stop playing sports. Don't stop doing all the things you love to do at the Valley, including your art and your singing and your sports and your staying in touch with nature.
It's great to see how green and lush the Valley is looking, and hope to be there next year. So happy birthday, Valley.
To all the children who are passing out from the 12th in the year 2021, you're pretty much stepping out from one of the most comfortable and one of the most protected areas that Valley School is. You are going to go out. You are at the cusp of your adulthood, and I'd say you have all the right foundations to make a difference. My request is make a difference in the world, make it meaningful. Don't just live your life. You live once, live it well, and make sure it counts. All the best, have fun, all the very best to all of you. Cheers.
This year, as we communicate to each other, you're not sitting in the amphitheater. You couldn't come to the campus, right? It is so unusual. But you must be somewhere in the world, and I hope this entire program that has gone, it is just working as a medium for you to go inward and discover the valley within, right? Have a nice day.